What's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna be timing myself to see how long I can scramble this cube. So not scramble, it's already scrambled, as you guys can see. So ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay.
So the things that have to do, how to delete Facebook and Instagram? Wow. Like one of the top searches? That's interesting. Wow. Okay. How to solve a Rubik's Cube? Yeah. How to put lights on a Christmas tree? That might have been Clark Griswold. And how to swap dance. Yeah. You can do. I cannot do that. I tried. And I will not do that on television. Boxing? All you have to do is
Alright, you know what, guys? I'm just gonna re-scramble it and try it again. Alright, so it is re-scrambled. 3, 2, 1, and start. Okay. Yeah.
According to researchers, good testing is now saying 25% of students surveyed said they had sent a response to a test while they were asleep. They did not remember using their phone because sleep texting happens subconsciously. I chose this one because I think it's fake news. There's no way you can text while sleeping. Yeah. It's an excuse, right? Sleepwalking. It's like when 75%.
Oh my gosh, okay. Alright, hold on. Alright.
And then money is supposed to go to making phone service accessible to low-income residents. You got struck by lightning in California, it would catch the lightning. Yeah, so you got to pay for that.
Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but it's 1 point. So it's 1 minute, 12 seconds, and 37 milliseconds. I don't know. Just so you guys can see. Okay, let's go. Alright, so that was just me solving my 1 cube. I actually have tons more, but I'm not going to solve those because I'm kidding. What the heck? How did I get this thing mixed up? Okay, well, whatever. It's mixed up now. See ya! Voice me mood. Bye.